Sure. Here's a natural, conversational-style YouTube video script for the 2026 Suzuki Carry Camper van, ideal for voiceover or on-camera delivery. If you've ever dreamed of taking your home on the road without breaking the bank, the 2026 Suzuki Carry Camper van might just be your new favorite thing. Compact, practical, and surprisingly cozy, this little beast is redefining what a micro camper can do. At first glance, it still looks like the classic Suzuki Carry we know and love, small, boxy, and built for utility. But step inside, and you'll see how Suzuki has transformed it into a smart, mobile living space for modern nomads and weekend adventurers. Let's talk design. The 2026 model keeps the same lightweight, easy-to-maneuver frame, making it perfect for narrow roads and tight camping spots. But now, it comes with a sleek pop-top roof option, giving you extra headroom and even an optional sleeping loft. Yes, a sleeping loft in a van this size. Inside, it's all about maximizing space. You get a fold-out bed, modular storage units, and even a compact kitchenette with a sink, stove, and mini fridge. Everything is designed to fold, slide, or tuck away. And for those of you who work remotely, there's even a small table setup that doubles as a workstation. Power-wise, the 2026 Carry comes with a fuel-efficient 1.0-liter engine, and there's talk of a hybrid option coming later in the year. It's not going to win any drag races, but it will sip fuel gently and get you where you need to go. Plus, its high ground clearance means it can handle dirt roads and light off-roading without much trouble. For tech, Suzuki's added a simple but effective infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. USB ports, LED lighting, solar panel compatibility, it's all here. And yes, there's even room to install a small battery system to keep your devices powered off-grid. The best part? The price. While many camper vans are creeping into luxury territory, the 2026 Suzuki Carry Camper van is designed to be accessible. It's affordable, easy to maintain, and customizable depending on how you want to use it. So who is this van for? Honestly, solo travelers, couples, digital nomads, or even first-time vanlifers looking for a budget-friendly entry point. It's not about luxury. It's about freedom, minimalism, and getting back to what matters. If you're ready to downsize your rig but upsize your adventures, the 2026 Suzuki Carry Camper van might just be the little van that takes you big places. Let me know in the comments, would you road trip in one of these? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new adventure. Thanks for watching.